Good morning. Welcome to the Capel. Man, it's such a beautiful morning, but it's also chilly at the same time. But anyways, good morning to the Capel Meadow Scrap Show. So yeah, this is all I found for yesterday afternoon and from yesterday evening. So I got a chair up. Don't throw away out there. Gotta go bring that back up. But yeah, let's go find some stuff. Oh yeah, it's gonna be turn my hazard lights on. But yeah, first find of the day. Come across this. This is like the best find ever. Oh yeah, all I can say is get into the truck. That's all I can tell you. Probably got some people looking at me. It's like, why is he wearing the shorts? Anything else in there? Man, it looks brand new. Oh no, it might be a possibility that it still works. Oh my goodness, I can feel the water. Man, I was just on my way to my neighborhood to go start metal scrapping out there until I came across this on the way. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But you know what? I will take it. Oh man, this has got water coming out. Close the door. Yeah, thank you, whoever you are. That is awesome for the first find in the morning. Sounds like to me today is going to be a good day. What if I could use this as leverage to push? All right. I know that sounds brutal, but let's see what else we can find first thing in the morning. Man, this is awesome. First starting off. Morning, Ralph. Morning, Sam. What is this up ahead? And it looks like a piece of furniture, maybe. I don't know. And yes, it is. I've been tricked. Silly rabbits. Tricks are for kids. I'm on my way to another neighborhood and everything, so before I go back to this side. But there's a channel that I have been watching. He's the one that kind of got me started into metal scrapping. So it's like an adventure. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like an adventure to you go out and you check places out and you see what's actually out there, and you could always have a magnetic piece to see what's magnetic and what's not, so that way you will know, well, which one is what. Like with car batteries, aluminum, copper, brass, metal sidings, anything. So some places they'll take dishwashers, some places won't. It just all depends on what place it is. But yeah, hang on one second, let me turn here. Yeah, the scrap and pallet man show. This is his icon right here, and with his name on right up here. Yeah, check his channel out, and like and subscribe to his channel. Some of the stuff he says it's kind of interesting to hear, because it's something you don't hear from a lot of people. And see what he has to say, and like and subscribe to his channel as well. So yeah, check his channel out. If it wasn't for this man for getting me started for where I'm at right now, and I've been doing this for about a good 6 months, I believe, and I'm enjoying every minute of it too. So yeah, check his channel out, like and subscribe, and I know he will be more appreciated as well. But yeah, we're in that neighborhood I was talking about, and well, just going through the neighborhood right now. But other than that, let's see what else we can find and go from there. And cross the fingers and hope for the best. There was something I was about ready to pass up, and I could not let that go. Yeah, so I'm backing up right now. Alrighty. I just don't want to block that person too much on the driveway. I could not pass this up. Let me get my cutters out. Yeah, I got a mess in here. Alrighty. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Trying to get this out. Alright, let's see here. How do you get that up? Oh, I see. I might try to get that off of there. Yeah. No. Alright. Oh, don't you drop on me. I know you probably will. Wonder if I can pick this up. Pick this up or not. Oh. Sometimes I wish I had it. Okay. Let's see here. Let's get you cut off here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see here. I don't know. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna leave the other piece. Thank you. Man, I'm glad I came down here to check. Man, this is crazy. What? Man, it's like seeing something. It's like seeing love at first sight. Man, that is so awesome. I will take it. All I can say is get into my truck. Let's see, how am I going to do this now? Let's see here. I can always go this way. I mean, I can, but we'll get it figured out here. We'll get it figured out. It's one way, it's another. Wow. This has seen better days. Whoop. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get this loaded up in the back of this small bed, because I wanted the metal scrappers. What's that?
You're making a hole. You sell them, right?
Yes, sir. They go get recycled to like a new car door or whatever.
Oh, really? That's pretty good.
Because I hate to see metal go to the landfill and just sit there and get wasted. And which, by the way, that's why I got the GoPro, because it's for my YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So.
Well, not real strong, but I used to pick it up and put it full of water still up there.
Yeah, while I'm getting splashed. But well, you'd be surprised what I have loaded up in this thing. It's like playing Tetris.
Yeah.
That means if I had to dig some of the stuff out.
If that wind could blow, it'd be nice.
Yes, sir.
I've got cedar fever, but you never told my wife here's the wind again out the north blowing from the lake.
Let's see here. I pretty much probably can handle this. It's just getting. Well, I might have to get this piece off. Yeah, I think I'll be able to manage it.
You real sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I'm going to hit the road then.
All right, I appreciate you offering it, though.
Yeah, good talking to
You too. Excuse me. All right. Yeah, I have to take that piece off just in order to make that one fit. So what I might end up doing is, if I don't hear back from that old boy, so what I might end up doing is go from here, then loop and try to strap it over. Let's see here. Get one more. Yeah, and this should do it. I know I just had a text message, so I'm about to go see who had ring my service. Man, that's awesome. What's in here? Battery is taken out. Really? No, I don't want that. Alrighty. Okay. Get my message checked out, but I'll roll up the window, kind of warm up a little bit. Alright. Good looking nice chairs with no wheels. Charcoal for kids. Why? Somebody's actually beating me to the punch. Why? I don't know. Why? That's why. I just don't know. Yeah, even though I'm driving through this brand new neighborhood and everything, but I mean, you never know what you might find. But I mean, it's also kind of cool to find stuff and everything. But let's see here. Oh, that person living right there. Okay, let's go back up this way. But yeah, let's see what else we can find. Yeah, I just sold that washer that was sitting back of the truck and everything. So, got a pretty good chunk of change for that. But right now, I'm on my way to the scrapyard to get whatever I got unloaded, so that way I can continue going back, see what else I can find and everything. So, yeah, let's go ahead and do it. See y'all guys at the scrapyard. Hey, my happy place. It's not so busy right now, but I'm sure enough they probably have some people here. Ready? Let's see it there. Yes. Alrighty. What do we got going on over here? Man, how in the world did one person get that loaded up? One hour later. Almost done, almost done. I'll get in there. We get to moving, we get to moving. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, let's go get paid. Let's go inside and get paid now.
You want to just pull park right on the stretch here? And I'm bring that right after.
Okay, yeah, I'm parked over there. If he brings it up here, I'll carry it out.
I could have to bring that close.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
There you go.
Snady, get a cash card?
Okay. Do you have your ID driver's license?
Yeah.
And have you ever had one from any other scrapyard?
No, I've had one from here though, but it's a long time ago.
Okay. Just give him a second, and we can just discuss a little bit about and bring you in update information if needed.
All right.
Is this giving the correct address?
No.
No.
No. Gotcha. Yeah.
Please.
Good luck.
Varsity?
Yeah, you got it. If I got stuff, I can take it over there though right now, right?
Yes.
All right. All right.
How y'all doing?
All right.
Pretty good. Hey, what's up, big guy? You doing all right today? Hey, scribble up, baby.
I'll come grab that battery from you. Quick.
Oh, let's do a light one here, partner.
Yeah.
Boom. Man, the big bull be up in here. Close that door, man. The big bull be up in here. Close that door. Don't play. Don't play. He gonna kill him. Hit me with the 6 C's.
145, 55.
You heard, right?
Change.
Shane, yeah, okay. Let me get that money, man.
There you go.
I don't mess with OPM. Other people money.
Yeah. They don't know what it is. They
Keep the real behind. All right, brother. Till the next time, now.
High tower? High tower?
Just metal for you?
Yeah. He docked me $150 or something.
What was that?
150 pounds. He docked me for a couple of boards. I brought you thousands of pounds of metal. That guy on Magnet.
So, what you doing for me lately?
Yeah.
I mean, we've been
Bring
bringing
it up
metal
like that.
to you for months now, and then he docked me some
Let me
pounds,
borrow
a
$5,
couple of
man.
boards.
I ain't got $5.
That's why we're in this line.
It's cold blood. Hey, man.
How you doing?
That better be nice.
These cameras, everything.
Well, it's from a YouTube channel that I've been doing.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
and you get paid for that?
What you do?
Just scrap metal. I drive around through this whole town and pick up metal.
Oh, okay. Do you buy eye things too?
Mm-hmm.
Show people how to.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you get paid for doing that?
After once you reach over 1,000 subscribers, then they will start paying you.
Yeah.
Praise God. That's
I'm almost to 100 people right now.
What's your name?
Mike.
Well, good luck, Big Mike.
Thank you.
We'll go on there.
Everybody
and
got
like
to start
it.
somewhere.
Yeah, we'll go on there and like it.
But I got my last name on there. It's Capel Metal Scrapper.
Capel Metal Scrappers. Okay, we'll go on there and like it.
You go
Yeah.
for it.
If you see an icon with the picture with me holding the camera sitting inside with the old jet fighter planes, that's me.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go do that for you.
Good deal, man.
Thank you.
Good luck in 2024.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah, that's smart. If you're gonna be scrapping, might as well add something to it to make some more money.
Because I mean, nobody else hasn't done it here in Temple.
No.
So I figured I'd go ahead and get it started.
Business card, Shane.
Like business card?
Yes. I was gonna grab him one, but I didn't know if you want me to stick my hand in there again.
Probably not.
Thank you.
Thank you. Always helps. It's wonderful. NBA, you got my shirt. You got my sweatshirt.
Yeah?
Jaime, there's 20 of us. Can't you help him out? There's 20 of us. Can't you help him out?
Just the metal over there.
Thank you, Jaime. Oh, I used to get on so bad. I used to, Shane would not get up out of that chair. Oh my God, to go to Billy.
Danny and everything else.
Yeah, I tell everybody. I was like,
Shane did not
Johnny,
like
2
Karen.
years. No, he did not. That is terrible customer service. Then he was going to go into, what's he going into? Or, Navy SEAL. When he told me he was going to try and be a Navy SEAL, I said, Shane, are you fucking nuts? He said, no, I'm going to make it. No, you're not. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't want to.
How much was it?
You don't want
Y'all folks have a good day. Alrighty. So, at 8 cents a pound, I weighed in at 840 pounds, and I weighed out at 4,580 pounds at, like I said, at 8 cents a pound. So I came out to 260 pounds, $20.80. Not bad, not bad. And y'all, I know I got some other stuff to do and everything today, but I just want to say thank y'all for watching, and thank y'all for watching and liking and subscribe. And y'all guys are awesome for watching. Until then, catch you on the next round.